Welcome to Lake Garda in Italy. It is absolutely beautiful. It's 7 o'clock in the evening. We have just arrived, and what a place. We are staying at Hotel Vega. We have a double room on the ground floor. On the first floor there is the breakfast area. We're here for bread and breakfast, and then up there my mum has a double room, just waving there. Also really nice double room with a balcony. Okay, let's have a look at the room and see what we got. Okay, so this is our room. Double room on the ground floor. As you come in, just on your left, you've got the luggage area. Plenty of coat hangers. Beach towels. And a mini bar in there. Telephone for reception. Light switches, etc. And the bed there. And there's a step up here to the little dining area, and a big step up there onto the veranda. Privacy glass in your windows. There's seats that are just outside here are for your use only. The first set of seats and the table, which is roped off, are for the people just in this room. Then anyone can sit out on the rest on there as well. The hotel also has a garden which is a little bit further along, and a pool as well. There's air conditioning in the room, which only comes on when that back door is locked. You can also open this to open up, which allows you to go out there, but also there is a lift up and it tilts as well, which is quite nice, so you can hear the river, hear the lake rather, in the background. Into the toilet, you've got a shower, sink, toilet, bidet. It's very cute, very quaint. It's a little towel rail there. Everything you need. The amenities that come with it. Hi everybody. Hairdryer as well. Yeah, it's very nice, very clean. Okay, let's have a look around the rest of the hotel.
Wave. There's a bomb, there's a bomb.
It's a video.
Oh no.
Hi, welcome to another hotel stay. This time we are at the Hotel Vega in Malcesine in Lake Garda, Italy. Let's have a look around. We've been in the hotel now for the last week. First impressions at the Hotel Vega. It is very nice, very clean, very well done. There's seating outside the front on both sides, and then you walk directly up into reception. Reception area there. Buongiorno. Reception area, there's two seating areas. One to the left, one to the right. And then this stairs just behind that, going up and down to your rooms. Straight ahead we have the restaurant area where you have your breakfast. There is also a lift as well. Top floor into reception, keeping it nice and cool here. Just outside the hotel, straight into the main street, where we have opposite a very good ice cream bar, little ice cream parlour, a little souvenir shop, and a clothes shop, leather shop, etc. And down the street to the main part of the town, the restaurants. So positioning is excellent. Really, really good. This is the pool area here. It's only a small pool. It's about 2 or 3 foot deep, but it is actually a jacuzzi as well, as you can see, with all the bits in there and the buttons on the side. And if you lay down, it's almost like an infinity, like you're laying in the lake. I mean, what a nice outlook when you're sitting in there looking out. Shower at the side when you go back in, and a little tap there to wash your feet, etc. as well. And just going further down, you've got the jetty there that also belongs to the hotel, and you can arrange to have breakfast out there or dinner out there or that sort of thing. And then they've also got the nice gardens here. Just a nice place to sit and look out over that. I could think of worse views. Yeah, been an absolutely amazing stay. Loved it. Beautiful place, beautiful scenery. Come to Lake Garda, highly recommend it. Stay at the Hotel Vega, well worth it. Absolutely amazing. So we have been here for the last week. It's very nice, they're very attentive, the place is very clean, a very good and varied breakfast. It is on a main road. However, it can get noisy when you're sitting out the front here, but you don't hear it while you're in your room at all. One of the other things to note, the plugs here are 2-pin as normal, but they are the slightly smaller of the 2 pins, so make sure you have the right adapters. So if you don't have the small adapters, next to the bed there are actually USB points, and there is one standard Euro plug which is in the bathroom next to the mirror, so you can still use that, but that's the only plug. The other ones are the small plugs which are dotted around the room. Other than that, the stay's been great. The beds are very comfortable. There's 5 of us in total here staying, and I don't think between any of us we've had any kind of complaint at all, any kind of thing that we can say negative about the hotel. The minibar is obviously a chargeable thing, but it's not overly expensive. So if you want the minibar, it is an affordable one. Also, when you're sitting out the front here, or even sitting on the veranda overlooking the lake or by the pool, somebody does come out and take your drinks order, crisps, things like that. There's a little snack menu as well, but they do bring it back out to you out by the pool. So there are some lounges out there, as you saw, and so there's service throughout the day while you're sitting out there enjoying the view. If I'm giving this out of 10, this is a solid 9 out of 10. So if you are coming to Lake Garda, do look up the Hotel Vega. Amazing, beautiful, loved it, enjoyed our stay, and we would highly recommend it. So we will be back. It's a lovely place, there's lots to do. Definitely it was on our list to come and see, and so glad we did. Like we say, we will be back to this. It's an amazing area, definitely worth coming. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope you find it useful. Even if you don't stay in the Hotel Vega, Lake Garda is amazing, but the Hotel Vega is equally amazing. So thank you very much, and see you in the next one.